It is time. It's time for the lightning round. What's about to run? And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready? Ski dash over the lightning round. It's over to Anthony in North Carolina. Anthony.
Good evening, Jim. Booyah.
Booyah.
My question is with respect to the generic drug makers. Is anybody like Teva going to benefit?
Kevin, no, it's a generic drug maker. And those stocks are all pretty awful when we've got such fabulous companies like a Merck, like a Pfizer, like a Bristol Myers. Let's go to Terry in North Carolina. Terry.
Booyah, Jimmy Chill.
Yo, man, I'd be chilling after a couple of days of rough trading. What's going on?
Right on. You turned me on to Starwood Property Trust a couple of years ago. It's been a wild ride from 26 to a recent low of 9. Along the way, Barry and others have been making big insider buys at $14 and then again at 9. I love it when the C-suite puts their money where their mouth is. What are your thoughts on jumping back in on
I feel the same way,
Starwood?
but it's down 44%. The yield is 13%, but this guy Sternlicht has always impressed me as a straight shooter. We need him on. We got to say, why am I? And shouldn't we be worried? Because the stock has plummeted. It was at 21 when he was on last. I'm getting to the bottom of this. Let's go to Joseph in California. Joseph.
Hey, Jim. Thanks for taking my call.
My pleasure.
I really like my Tommy Bahama shirts. I was looking at Oxford Industries. I don't know what you're doing.
Look, it's been around. It's kind of hanging in here. I like their stuff too, but let me tell you something. If you like apparel, you got to buy PVH. Manny Trico. I don't really care for apparel right now. Too much inventory. Ray in Maryland. Ray.
Jimmy Chill.
Safe Ray.
My call.
What's up?
I'm a 19-year-old investor, and I wanted your thoughts on Amgen, AMGN.
I like Amgen a lot. It's kind of moved up here without me. Feel bad about that. But I think it's got it's got a new oncological franchise that I really, really like. And, of course, it makes Aimovig as the chief spokesperson for the American Migraine Foundation and taker of Aimovig. I can tell you it's good. Let's go to Dave in Florida. Dave.
Hey, Jim. I haven't trusted the recent market surge, but now I'm tempted to look for some opportunities again. You know, Intel has such a reasonable PE. I think it's 12 to 1. Is that a good reason to invest in that kind of?
No, not right now, because AMD's got some chips that are smoking hot that are come out. I think going to take some share from Intel, so we're going to be a buyer of AMD. I need Barron in Florida. Barron.
Booyah! Baron Booyah Beatty calling from Palm Beach, Florida. Jim Cramer, I took everything I have and bought 31,000 shares of GE when it was trading at $5.58 by December of 2021. Will I be a millionaire?
Interesting analysis, very much like Warren Buffett. Where's Becky? I need Becky's help here. Look, GE, the stock is, it did kind of do a little round trip on there. When that happens, you should take half off. I think Mr. Culp is doing a fantastic job against tremendous circumstances, but I think you'll do okay. But I don't really call that. But the word diversification does not come in mind with that strategy. Let's go to Lewis in New Jersey. Lewis.
Hi, Jim.
Lewis.
I want to thank you for your really consistently great shows.
Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you. That's because of Regina Gilgan, my conscience, the angel on the left shoulder.
Okay.
All right, what's up?
It's a crazy market, and it's troubled times.
Totally.
Sometimes it calls for a little defense, like a stock that has a 3.7% yield and 10 times earnings and closed at $20 and change today. So I would like your opinion on symbol SPTN, Spartan Nash.
First time it's been asked about. I like it a lot more than Aramark. Sorry, Philadelphia's own. And I think that if it hasn't come down with something must be going on there because almost everybody else in that business is getting crushed. I think you've got a good one. We need Randy in Texas, please. Randy.
Hey, how you doing, Jim? Thanks for taking my call.
Oh, my
First-time caller. Just recently been watching the show. I bought some shares of Ingevity at 28 back in February, and now it's at 53. And
yeah, I think it may be time to do a little registering because it's a true agriculture. It's a pastiche, if not mosaic, of industrial companies, of which I want you to sell half tomorrow morning. We'll let the rest run. And that, ladies and gentlemen, conclusion of the Lightning Round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.